What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. Today we got the face cam up. We're doing it for real this time. Let's get into this incredible stock and the news that came out about it. Because in general, all we're trying to do here is make you guys money. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. Like the video, guys. You are about to find so much value to this. Thank you so much for all you guys have done. We are growing like crazy, and I appreciate it so much. Other than that, let's get right into it. So we can see Virgin Galactic Holdings. So what is this, you might ask? Well, Virgin Galactic is a British spaceflight company within the Virgin Group. It is developing commercial spacecraft and aims to provide suborbital spaceflights to space turrets and suborbital launches for space science missions. But what else are they doing? We see down here it says ticket cost $250,000. And you might be wondering, what is that? Well, they're about to send people on these planes that goes into orbit, and it's $250,000. So technically you're in space. But we care about the money. We care about what's going on with the stock and how it is going to blow up because of this new news. So as we can see, the stock is worth about $21, and on Friday they did not have a good day. There's not been too good of news about this company other than a billionaire, the founder. Richard Branson is the founder of this company, and that's big news because he's a huge billionaire and investor, and this idea that he has is going to happen. I mean, if you really think about it, who wouldn't want to go into space? And I was kind of thinking to myself, I'd want to go into space, but for $250,000, who's going to pay that? Then I also think to myself, think about all the billionaires or even millionaires in the world. Think about everybody from, Saudi Arabia, or those billionaires, or the ones in the United States that actually would pay this ticket price to go do things like this. And the capital they are raising for this is truly incredible. It was at $10. Boom. Went up to $37. Peaked there, crashed hard. Right? We saw a huge sell-off all the way back down to the lows of 10.56. Now we saw slight growth over the course of a year, which is good. If it starts at $10 and you almost double your investment, it's a great investment. And that's one thing that makes this stock way more attractive. Also, another thing I was looking at is how cheap it is right now. Why is it dipping off right now? But this is why I'm investing in this stock right now, is because I've been tracking this stock for about 2 to 3 months. I was in on it over here. I think I lost some money, so I got out of it. But this new news that came out was so important. I was like, okay, this stock is about to go ham. We see it's declining, so I think that it's going to take another skyrocket, just like it did up here, due to this. So we'll get right into that. So jumping into that news, Richard Branson's Virgin Orbit seeks $1 billion valuation, which is huge, guys. Now going into that, we see that it is looking to raise up to $200 million in funding round that could value the satellite launch business at around $1 billion. Now, the fundraising comes as the British billionaire's sprawling travel to finance empire and the wider commercial space industry has been hit hard by the coronavirus pandemic. Obviously, the stock was going to take a sell-off. The coronavirus comes, nobody's thinking about going into space. But once all this stuff passes and once we see more people doing this, $250,000 a ticket, guys. Virgin Orbit said in August that it hired Leon Tree Advisors and Piero Wenberg Partners LP to look at potential financial transactions. Those banks are now charged with helping it raise between $150 million to $200 million by as early as the end of the year for capital expenditure and to fund satellite launches, according to the people familiar with the plans. Guys, this is insane. I don't even know why I didn't really think about the potential of the business. You look at Tesla, you look at what they're doing. There's something different. Not speaking on just their EV revolution, but when you look at their car, it's different. This is something different. This is something that has no competition. They have no competition. So if they beat everyone to it and then they get competition, let's go, because they're going to be number one in their group. We kind of look at Tesla and the people trailing them. So get on this early. Again, I want to also say right now, I'm not a financial advisor, so do all your own stock research. They're also in the satellite industry, which is something that's huge also. So we see right here that historically they have been dominated by large vehicles launching large satellites. Virgin Orbit and several other rivals worldwide want to send smaller satellites into orbits, targeting civil, military, and commercial customers at the lower end of the market. Just another business model that he's got. This billionaire will put all his money, just kind of like Elon Musk did with Tesla, into his dreams. And you know what? I support ya. Analysts say Virgin Orbit's proposed launches from moving aircraft rather than from the ground are cheaper and more flexible, but have controlled technical issues and still face hurdles. The company, which has yet to put a payload into orbit, initially expected to be launching roughly 12 times a year by now. Listen, that's key. They haven't put an orbit into payload, right? But they're expecting to launch dozens. That is huge. We are going to see huge news come to this stock, and any hype news with any stock makes the stock rise, and then that means we're making money. So it says, quote, in a crowded market, Virgin Orbit is a front runner, which is great. Now they're a crowded market with the orbits, but the thing what's most attractive to me is going to space for $250,000. They're the first to ever do that, and let's hope there's competition. I really want to see that happen. Now, you can read through all this. The article I'll put in the description. It's a little bit of a long article, but I kind of want to get into how we're going to make money off this stock and the stock forecast, and if the stock is kind of undervalued right now, which I think it is. So we see the 8 analysts offering 12-month forecasts for Virgin Galactic Holdings have a median target of $25. Guys, the stock is at $21.40 right now. So if just the median is coming up at $25, the stock is a 16% increase from the last price of $21. Now we see a high estimate of $35, which almost is double what the stock is currently trading at, and a low estimate of $22. But obviously all these forecasts were based off of, a 12-month forecast. This news is brand new news, which leads me to think that once these Robinhood traders, once everybody gets this, $1 billion valuation, the stock is going to fly. It is going to skyrocket. I think there will be a lot of money to be made, and I think in the future also this stock is a very, very good hold. If you guys enjoyed this video, liked anything about it or found value, please subscribe. It helps me out tons. We are so close to 100 subscribers. Let's beat it before October. And now I'm currently showing my face now. I thought I'd connect with you guys better. If we're going to be a YouTube community, we're going to be a channel, and we're going to grow. I want to connect a little bit more with you guys, so I thought this was the perfect alleyway to do it. Well, other than that, guys, I'm signing off. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Love y'all.